Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Soph wallet address on Binance. As you see, this is the chart and Soph or Sophon just get this on Binance. So if you want to transfer your Sophon to your Binance account, it's very easy. First, open your Binance apps and go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is advanced. You can click it. And you can choose on-chain deposit. Then now you can search as OPH, this one. Then you can choose the network. I will choose BNB Smart Chain. And this is your Sophon wallet address. You can copy it or scan it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.